Hello boys and girls, this is a little video to remind you how to do a word cloud in Tagxedo so that you can do it all on your own. Remember, every time you come to class, or almost every time, we use my wiki. Here it is. And we can open it up and scroll down. Remember to look right here. Are you kindergarten or are you first grade? Here's grade 1. And for this week in grade 1, we are making word clouds. Here is a link for Tagxedo. You know it's a link because, watch my cursor, it's an arrow right now. When I move it, it turns into a hand. That's not linked. These words are linked. So I'm clicking. And here's Tagxedo. Now, when we did it, we made a separate list of words in Microsoft Word, but you don't have to do that. You can just come right here to load. And I'm clicking load, L-O-A-D. This we're going to skip. That's in case you wanted to put a web page into the word cloud. We don't want that. We're going to come down here to the big box, and let's start making a list of some words that you learned in your classrooms that you know how to spell. So, for example, here's come, C-O-M-E. Then hit enter to come down to the next line. Here's fun. Next line. Saw. How about look? How about yes, we know that one. When. And these are, by the way, are all on the word wall words, and I think you learned many of them in kindergarten. How about play? We know that one. So maybe you know some other special words that you learned in class. I know one of the first grade teachers told me you learned a really fancy word, transparent. And so maybe you know some other fancy words also. When you have your list, click submit right here. That means you're sending the words to Tagxedo. And be patient, because it takes a minute. Remember, we're going to look down at the bottom for the progress bar to go by. And here are my words. Alright, so I don't like that color, the colors and things. I'm going to come right over here to theme, T-H-E-M-E, theme. And you have to click the little triangle here and pick your colors, whatever you like. Alright, I'm going with that one. You can close that up. Fonts, remember that's your words, the way the words look. Here's our little triangle. And you can scroll up and down because there's a whole lot of them. Let's try that one. And be patient. Here goes the progress bar. Alright, there's some funny looking letters there. And finally we have shape. And you can pick whichever one you like. I'm going to pick a leaf. And be patient. There we go. Let's close this up. So there is my leaf with my word wall words. Now, we do have to save it. How do we do that? Right here's the word save, S-A-V-E, save or share. We're going to click there. And this is a little confusing, but the one you should pick is right here. This is the size. It's asking you what size you would like your drawing to be. 250 kilopixels is really what that is, and it's a JPG file. That's a fancy word for a drawing file or a picture file. So 250, and then remember, you save it in yours. Is going to come up in your documents. I have a whole lot of things in mine. You should name it something that you'll remember for next time, and a different name than what we used already. So I'm going to call this my word leaf because I made it a leaf, and then save right here. And then you get this funny thing here. When we want to print, we do the same thing. Save, and here's print, P-R-I-N-T. And then you should already be set up for a printer. Here's print, P-R-I-N-T. Click that and you will print your word cloud. That's all there is to it.